Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Ben. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are camped in the National Forest just northwest of Mount Baker in northern Washington, and finding a dispersed campsite here was actually not easy at all. We spent probably 3 hours exploring up and down different Forest Service roads that I had scouted out, but luckily we found this great spot, which got us to an elevation and gave us the shade we so desperately needed to escape this heat wave that is hitting Washington right now. And the plus side of all this is that we found camp early enough for me to bring you along to see what I make for dinner while I'm living full-time out of my troopy. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna go in with this whole package of ground chicken to make it easy on myself. One thing about living in the troopy is that it's difficult to deal with like half-eaten containers of raw meat. So I find myself just cooking an entire package at once and then having leftovers. Now for the really important part of this meal. Oh man, I am stoked on this meal here at camp. That ground chicken just soaks up all of that delicious curry sauce. The chickpeas start to get a little bit crispy. The broccoli and the mushrooms get some gorgeous color on them. And the entire thing is just a flavor bomb. What's even better is that for a meal like this, I'm using one pan. I didn't have to dirty the cutting board. I didn't have to dirty a knife, and made pretty limited trash. This is the only trash that came out of it. And the other really nice thing is that it's gonna feed me here, not just dinner, but I'll have lunch tomorrow as well. And a 2-for-1 when you're cooking out here is always nice. Now the bowls and plates that you're gonna see me using all the time here as I'm living out of the Troopy are the Snow Peak Trek series titanium plates and bowls. Super lightweight, super durable, and they all nest really nicely in the alu box. So you'll see me using these all the time. Well, just like that, in only about 15 minutes, we've got ourselves a delicious looking and smelling dinner that I cannot wait to dive into. Thank you all so much for being here. As always, if you like what I'm doing, it's the biggest help to give this video that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around for a while because we've got a lot of good stuff in store as we make our way to Alaska, and I'd love to have you here for it. Until next time though, get out and explore somewhere.